Welcome everyone, I'm Russell Alexander. I've been a lawyer with the team at Russell Alexander Collaborative Family Lawyers for over 20 years. We help families that are going through separation and divorce. Without further ado, let's get into today's topic. Zoom divorce in the modern lawyer in 2021, part 1. Look the part. What is a Zoom divorce? In Ontario, all in-person proceedings are effectively cancelled. You will need leave of your case management judge for an in-person court hearing, and that's unlikely to happen. As courts are pivoting from a paper-based in-person hearings to digital files and remote hearings by conference calls, Skype, or Zoom. Zoom trials for the Ontario Superior Court are planned to commence in the May trial sittings of 2021. So while parties watch Netflix on their couch in their pajamas, they can simply log on to Zoom for their virtual hearing, or Zoom divorce. The efficiencies of this approach are endless. No longer needing to shower, get dressed up, commute, fight traffic, look and pay for parking, wait for and go through court security, and then wait for your case to be heard. The disadvantages can seem hidden, but are real. Less in-person contact with your counsel, your former spouse, and the judge creates less of a chance of negotiation and settlement. Victims of domestic violence may not have a voice or be pressured into an unfair result. Many have difficulty adapting to new technologies and do not have a stable internet connection or a suitable electronic device. Counsel need to step up and lead by example in this new age of Zoom divorce. Play your part and look the part. And look the role. Get dressed for every office, every day. You are providing a professional service. Look the part. Also, staff and colleagues may take their cue from how you dress and act. Show some leadership. Clients expect their lawyers to dress and act like professionals. This can be difficult for some who are in lockdown and not regularly attending an office setting or going to court. Getting dressed for work is also helpful for getting into the right mindset and making the mental shift from home to work, like putting on your gowns before a contested motion or trial. For many men, getting dressed helps make the mental shift from home to work, so even at home, consider maintaining this step in your routine. Don't go halfway. That's right. Wear pants when attending to client matters or court hearings. We've all heard stories and reports of other professionals who thought it was a good idea to go pantless. Don't do it. It will reflect poorly on your reputation if you get caught, and worse on the profession. So dress it up. Perhaps take a lint brush to your blazer or top, and have pets in your home. Don't forget to if you have pets, don't forget to accessorize. Cufflinks, a watch, ties are a must for men. Pocket squares? Why not? If you're enjoying this video and find it helpful, you can give us a thumbs up and leave a comment in the box below. Be mindful of the resting boredom face, RBF. This is also referred to some as a resting bitch face. The New York Times brought the pop culture term and internet meme resting bitch face in a recent article. There's lots of controversy regarding the gender focus of the word bitch and being directed at women. We can also refer to, and I refer to this as the resting boredom face. Studies show that we make judgments based on facial cues associating happy faces as being more trustworthy. You should be mindful of ensuring a neutral, alert face rather than the alternative. Here are some tips to avoid RBF. Your mouth, try to look at ease with no tension. Tension in the brow can make one look annoyed and angry, and this may be alleviated by lifting your eyebrows slightly. Remember your audience. Stoic facial expressions may be off-putting from your listeners or viewers, but try to make eye contact and do not always expect physical or verbal cues from your audience. So some closing thoughts. Advocacy for many can be one part sizzle and one part substance. We all went to university as lawyers and law school. The substance part should be easy. The sizzle is where you can add your own style and flair. Treat Zoom divorce like an in-person court hearing. Dress the part and look the role of a lawyer. This will inspire client confidence and put you in the winning mindset for your hearing. Ensuring proper dress and decorum also enhances respect for the administration of justice. Now that we've reviewed some tips on looking professional, in part 2 we're going to review tips on how the modern lawyer can prepare for the Zoom divorce hearing. Thank you for watching today. Look for the links to parts 2 and 3 in the comment box below. Please leave your thoughts and questions below. If you like this video and helpful, give it a thumbs up and let us know. You can subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching.